This is the POWEROWL Pro AAA nickel metal hydride high capacity batteries. This particular one is a 16 pack. There are other packs available. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual, and this being a 16 pack, 16 batteries as you see. Okay, so this is pretty simple. They're AAA batteries. They can go in any device that takes AAA batteries for the most part. Nickel metal hydride batteries, all of them, doesn't matter who makes it, are 1.2 volts, but regular alkaline batteries are 1.5. Most devices are never going to know the difference and will operate just the same, because the voltage is one of the first things to drop off on an alkaline battery, where these hold that voltage all the way till the very end. Let me tell you a bit more about them, and then we'll see some examples of where they can be put to use. These are 1100 milliamp hour batteries. Each battery can be recharged over 1200 times. These batteries will keep 60% of their power after 2 years. That means charge them up fully, put them in a drawer, come back 2 years later, they should still have 60% of their power left. And these will operate down to about 24 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let me show you a couple of applications where they can be used. How about the TV remote? Oh yeah, yep. If you watch a lot of TV, you'll go through batteries pretty quick, and they're going to work in here just fine. These are pre-charged when you get them. There we go. And let us see. Yes, indeed. You can see that it works right there. So, TV remote is one example. Maybe you got something like one of these sitting around. It just looks like a screen. Well, let's put batteries in. So these are the POWEROWL batteries. We'll stick those in. This takes a while to boot up. There we go. Shows the temperature and humidity. You might have one of these laying around, or 12 of them laying around like I do. So that's good to have. When the batteries go dead, you recharge them. You might also have a weather station that has an outdoor sensor. That might be a great place for rechargeable batteries, because they always seem to go dead on you at the wrong time. So that would also be a great place to put them. And of course there's a myriad of others. I have some cordless telephones that take AAA type batteries, a couple of multimeters that take AAA batteries, and I'm sure other test equipment that I've forgotten about that I have that can take AAA batteries, and it'll work in any of them just fine. And again, when they go dead, you can recharge them. And to recharge them, an excellent choice would be this 16 battery charger from POWEROWL. I have reviewed this item previously, and I will leave a link in the video description so you can see more about it. But as you can see, this will take 16 batteries, just like the ones that came in the kit here, and it will recharge all of them at the same time, complete with lights right there. This can also do AA size batteries as well. So once again, this was the POWEROWL 16 pack of Pro AAA Rechargeable high capacity nickel metal hydride batteries. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.